Why are 89% of Americans over 65 quietly losing muscle, even if they exercise and eat plenty of protein? Stop what you're doing right now and think about this. You work hard to stay healthy. You exercise. You watch your diet. Maybe you even take your protein shakes every single day, and yet, you're still getting weaker. Your arms don't feel as strong. Your legs get tired climbing stairs. Even simple chores feel heavier. Why is this happening? In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the little-known reason behind this hidden epidemic and show you how to reverse years of muscle loss in as little as 12 minutes a day, using 3 common foods you probably already have in your kitchen. Stay with me until the very end, because I promise, the answer will surprise you. The build-up. Creating suspense. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Flex your dominant arm as hard as you can right now. Hold that flex for 10 seconds. Does it feel weaker than it used to? Less defined than 5 years ago? Comment yes or no right now. I personally read every single response because I want to know exactly where you are starting. And if you're serious about staying strong, mobile, and independent, well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond, smash that subscribe button for WellthWise and turn on notifications. This channel is about giving you science-backed strategies to keep you active, strong, and independent. The reveal. Why protein alone isn't enough now. Here's where it gets shocking. Doctors, trainers, and fitness influencers keep repeating the same advice. Eat enough protein and lift weights and you'll keep your muscle. But for people over 60, that advice is dangerously incomplete, because there's one overlooked nutrient that decides whether your muscles actually use that protein or just waste it. Without this nutrient, your muscles can't recover, can't grow, and can't stay strong, no matter how much chicken, fish, or protein powder you eat. This nutrient is magnesium, and most seniors are not just low in it, they were critically deficient. The twist. Why supplements don't work. Now here's where most people get it wrong. They hear magnesium is important and rush to the store for a bottle of supplements. But most commercial magnesium supplements don't work for seniors. They're made in isolation, without the cofactors your body needs to absorb and use the mineral. Even worse, some seniors take too much, which just flushes right out of the body and sometimes causes uncomfortable side effects. So the key is not just taking magnesium, but taking it in the right form, from the right sources, at the right time. And that is where the 3 foods I am about to share with you become a game changer. The solution, the 3 foods. 1. Cooked spinach, the relaxer. Our first food source is something you probably already have in your fridge, spinach. When properly cooked, spinach delivers nearly 40% of your daily magnesium needs, and because it's plant-based, it's absorbed up to 50% better than pills. But here has the secret. You must steam it for just 2 to 3 minutes with a pinch of sea salt and lemon juice. Overcooking destroys the nutrients, and skipping the lemon cuts absorption in half. Cooked spinach relaxes your muscle fibers, improves protein utilization, and reduces inflammation, making your workouts and daily movements more effective. 2. Pumpkin seeds, the strength builder. Our second powerhouse is pumpkin seeds. 1 ounce gives you nearly half of your daily magnesium needs, but the magic is in how you roast them. Roast raw pumpkin seeds at 300 degrees for 15-20 minutes with olive oil and sea salt. This low, slow roasting preserves magnesium and increases bioavailability by up to 20%. Pumpkin seeds also supply amino acids that directly fuel muscle growth and improve grip strength, something strongly linked to longevity. 3. Chia seeds, the secret weapon. And the final food that completes the puzzle, chia seeds. These little seeds are loaded with magnesium and omega-3 fatty acids, a powerful combo that improves nerve signaling, reduces inflammation, and helps your muscles contract properly. But here, yes, the critical step most people miss, you must soak them for at least 15-20 minutes before eating. Otherwise, they can cause digestive discomfort and block nutrient absorption. When soaked, they form a gel that your body can easily digest, and that gel helps slow the release of energy, keeping you fueled longer. the combination, the trifecta system. Now here's where it all comes together. Spinach, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds each have their own muscle-building benefits. But when you combine them, they work synergistically to maximize absorption, balance your minerals, and turn your protein into real, usable muscle tissue. Here's a simple routine you can start today. Breakfast: chia seed pudding with berries and a sprinkle of roasted pumpkin seeds. Lunch: warm spinach salad with grilled chicken and lemon vinaigrette. Snack: a handful of roasted pumpkin seeds in the afternoon. Dinner: sautéed spinach with garlic, served alongside salmon or shrimp. This plan gives you highly bioavailable magnesium all day long, exactly when your body needs it. The warning: what to avoid. But here is the catch. All of this can be wasted if you combine these foods with the wrong things. Two of the biggest muscle killers: carbonated sodas, which bind to magnesium and flush it out before your muscles can use it, and high-sodium breakfast cereals, which force your kidneys to excrete minerals instead of storing them. Cutting these two out can double your magnesium retention and speed up results. The payoff: the resolution. I've seen seniors gain measurable muscle mass, improve balance, and even walk faster in as little as 4 or 6 weeks just by following this system. People like Linda, who stopped drinking soda, added these foods, and gained nearly 2 pounds of lean muscle in 2 weeks. Or Sarah, who replaced her high-sodium cereal with oats and saw her leg strength increase by 18% in just a month. This works when you do it consistently. So here's what I want you to do right now. Comment, Week 1 starting, if you're ready to begin today. Smash that subscribe button and join the WellthWise community so you never miss science-backed health strategies like this. Share this video with someone you love, a parent, a spouse, or a friend who wants to stay strong and independent. Your muscles are waiting for the right fuel. Your independence is calling. Take the first step right now, and let's build the strong, healthy body you need for the decades ahead.